The real sound of Scotland, and it's absolutely no surprise that it's coming here from the Balmoral Group stand.
Correct.
Steve from the Balmoral Group, thank you very much for joining us. It's
My
an
pleasure.
unusual event for offshore Europe. It's a book launch.
It is a book launch, yeah. Well, the North Sea has been running, as you know, for 50 years, since 1965 right through until today. So we felt it was important to mark that milestone event by authoring this with it. Jeremy Cresswell, well-known energy journalist, authored it for us. We project managed it and edited it. It's the third one in the series, and it captures every major find, achievement and political happening around the oil and gas industry over the past 50 years in one book. It's a fantastic resource.
But it looks absolutely beautiful. It's a real coffee table book. It's one to treasure. And of course it has a very good purpose as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it has. I mean, we have never before put a cover price on any of our books whatsoever, and they've been gifted to colleagues, clients and suppliers and general industry personnel. But this time, we put a cover price of £100 on it, which is nominal and suggested, and any money is received from the book sales or donations will go to Friends of Anchor, which is Balmoral Group's in-house charity which supports the cancer care unit at Aberdeen Royal Infirmary. And we actually cheated a wee bit. We auctioned off the very first one at the Friends of Anchor Mass Ball last Friday evening and got a remarkably generous £900 for the first copy, which is terrific.
I'm not sure what you'll be getting for the book at Offshore Europe. Hopefully it matches fantastic amount. Balmoral has been here, Offshore Europe, for many, many years. How has the exhibition been going so far this year?
Well, this year it has been busy. Aberdeen, Balmoral Group is an international company now, and last year we exported over 90% of our manufactured goods from the city, which is really good. So the North Sea for us isn't our biggest field, but it's a very, very important show. We feel it's important to support this show and the North Sea supply chain. So it's a key show for us, and we meet lots of really influential people during our week here.
And of course the man at the very top of the Balmoral Group is a much respected figure and voice in the oil industry.
Yes, Jim is one of those few characters that remain in the industry, I have to say. He's an absolutely fantastic guy. He's well known not only in Aberdeen but globally, and once you meet Jim you never forget it. So it's a fantastic ambassador, of course for the company, but also for Aberdeen and Scotland and the UK in general.
Yes, because not everybody's aware of it, but he does a great deal of good work outside his own company.
He does. Jim is an incredibly generous guy. He's such a humanitarian. I won't even begin to go and tell you the amount of stuff that he does, but it is absolutely enormous, and he keeps the huge majority of that quiet. He just does it on the QT.
Well, it's fantastic to see you all here at Offshore Europe once again, and such a lovely event. I think we now have to clear the floor for possibly some dancing. So thank you.
Sounds good to me. You and I first.
We're leading off. Steve, it's lovely to speak.
Wonderful. Thank you, Kirsten. Thanks.